It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up. Yup, that really happened. Hello humans, my name is Sasif. Welcome back to my channel. I have not uploaded a YouTube video for about 3 weeks, but I am back, and this time I am sharing this trip with you guys where me and my friends went on a road trip to Shogran, which, if you're not from Pakistan, is just a place in the northern areas of Pakistan. It's a hilly area. It's a pretty nice place. And what I discovered was it's a pretty big pain in the ass, like literally sitting on a bike for that long. And also I fell into a ditch, as you just saw in the start of the video, and more on that later. But anyways, because of that I got a little bit demoralized, and when I went there I did not have enough energy or enough what you can say to shoot some crazy video like everyone does on their travel videos. But anyways, I still have some GoPro footage which I tried to shoot in some flat profile and then color graded it. This is literally my first time color grading something, so I hope you guys like it. Enjoy.
Said hello the moment your friend hit your phone, dying to tell you how I feel before you go. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you had to wait up for me, would you wait? Broke down on the road, would you be my AAA? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. If I bought you roses, babe, what would you say? If I was here to catch you, would you have the faith? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. Breathing slow, feeling your hands tied to my arm. Guess it's a dream, 'cause baby, I'm still alone. We don't have to go out, I'd rather just hang out, get you one-on-one. We don't have to go out, just want you to know now that you're all I want. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you had to wait up for me, would you wait? Broke down on the road, would you be my AAA? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. If I bought you roses, babe, what would you say? If I was here to catch you, would you have the faith? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, on my wheels and call me castaway. Said hello, but you're still talking on the phone. Maybe it's time that I should finally let you go. To see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Can
enchanted by your ways. In the magic of your eyes, I've become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear, because all is well.